football.
Well, here we are, folks. A very good morning and
Happy New Year to all giant users.
Absolutely.
Users, do you not call them users? Subscribers.
Viewers, subscribers, internet people. Anyway, yes, hello everybody. We're trying to think of something to do today. We don't know what to do. We've run out of places to go and do, folks. So please put in the comments, suggest something for us to do. So we're going to sort of head over the bridge, I think, and try and find some weird, strange statues and caves that we haven't seen before, but I doubt it very much. So stay with us, folks, and we shall get back to you. Hey, folks, much excitement. We've parked here at Jag Bridge. Bro's found something for us to do. What have you found for us to do, bro?
Well, probably turned out to be a disaster, but it's, the Eden Estuary has got some kind of structure, monument or something.
Okay, well, we're going to look up for it, see what we can find. Anyway, oh, he's lost his key. Right, here we go. Building over here, folks. This is the old Jag Bridge paper mill. I've been in there. I have been in there. So the security guard took me around the paper mill. They used to work there, and he said that what they used to do was they would get a set of dungarees and fill it up with newspapers and all sorts of bits of paper, and they would wait for a car to come by and they would throw the dummy out the top window. And so excellent idea. There's obviously a new Seggy Drive. What a great name. Seggy Drive. There is Seggy Drive. Oh, so this is the Eden Centre, I think it is. Yeah. Eden campus. Right, well. I don't know. This is the Eden Centre. Oh yes. I think I've been here before, but
Don't remember it.
well, we'll have a look at that. Oh, probably here then. Some Lance Corporal David Finlay. Okay then. Rest of here's the estuary.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah. It's down a hell of a lot though. See it. See a swan, golden eagle, a bird with a long beak.
Okay. Go. What's at the top of the hill? We just spent the last half hour sitting on the bench down there discussing why my phone doesn't get 4G. So I was getting most upset until I discovered my phone had been living on 2G for some reason. So we've got to sort it out now though, so thank goodness for that. But here we are at the top of the Jag Bridge estuary. Look at this, what a view, man, what a view. Awesome. A great view, man. And there's Lucas.
Wish the planes were still going.
That'd be great, wouldn't it? That was great, yeah, and there's the paper mill. Right folks, this is a welcome to the Eco Pod. Oh, that's what this is all about then. It's got herbs and things. Yeah. Get into the Eco Pod. Closed. Oh. Okay. No, it's not there. Well, here before, yes. A nice urban area here. Pink Floyd animals. Well, another powerhouse. Eden Mill. Coming soon.
Waterfalls Road. Now we're into the wilds of Fife now. Well, break the speed limit. Well, folks. This is somebody on a silent bicycle behind them. Yes. The things you see in the countryside.
Right, folks, our next stop of the day is Bro got all excited. Why is that, Bro?
It's a waterfall.
Oh,
Found a waterfall.
wow, get in.
Waterfall.
We found a waterfall, folks. Here at Kenback. And now for the important scientific bit here, folks. These rocks here at Cerise, as I call it Cerise, I know it's actually Cerise or something, I don't know how they pronounce this place, but these rocks, they found fossils dating back billions of years or millions of years, and they found these like flatfish that used to be on the go back in the day. In amongst these very rocks. I think just further up, in particular, a place called Charlie's Rock, where they found these Holobolonus or something, the name of the fish was, I'm not sure the actual name, like a flatfish. They found some fossils. Very interesting indeed, yeah, so the famous Kenback fossils. Awesome. Now, I think we're going to try and get onto the top of this, Bro's having a field day. He loves waterfalls, so I think we might try and soon get up to the top of the waterfall. Oh no, look. We're going uphill, folks. Oh, dear, oh dear. You okay, Bro?
Yes.
Oh! Dear, oh. Right. Path of much danger. A Peruvian death road. Yeah, I think so, yes. Yeah, go up that way and nip over. Look how high up we are, folks. Crikey. Oh dear. Right, well. Some fungi here, folks. Yes. Look at it. Sucking out all the sustenance from the bark. Excellent. Find a rope swing. Yeah, this is going to be too dangerous, I think. Yeah, no, it's just too steep here, Bro. Hang on. Right, folks, well, unfortunately, it's far too steep here. We're on the edge of a precipice here. So, unless there's I just can't see another way to get down to the top of it. It's way down there, man, but it's just there. However, as I said, I have been down there before, but it was a long time ago and I just can't remember how to get to it, so. I know, that looks like we could have maybe done that, I don't know. Well, we'll go back and have another Another. There's the old Kenback church behind me there, up there. Anyway. Fall. No, don't fall. Quite steep actually. Okay.
It's going to happen, isn't it? It's going to happen live on camera.
Just go to the trees. You'll be all right. Oh, you made it. Abandoned his car there on the drive, sort of thing, like, as we go looking at the old Kenback church. Are these lime trees? I think they could be lime trees, these ones. And judging by my expert knowledge of horticulture and trees, I reckon these trees were planted in about 1815 to celebrate the Battle of Waterloo. Around about that time anyway, because they're about the same height as the ones at Camperdown Park that were planted there to celebrate the victory. So yeah, looks like similar sort of aged trees. Anyway, we're in Kenback, and here's the old ruin. Where is he? I'm sure that this place here has got something to do with the World War II radar. They used to test the radar here, so it would bounce off the hills. And there's somewhere up there, there's posts in the hills that have got something to do with the radar. Maybe I'm wrong, but I seem to remember that they would bounce a signal from here up into the mountain there, because it's quite a like an echo surface, if you know what I mean. It's a signal could bounce off and come back again. I'm sure that I'm correct with that. However, we shall check on the old Google. What was the guy's name again? The one that invented the radar?
Vision transmissions in 1950.
Yeah, so what was that, brother? There is something up there, yeah.
So World War II secret. Access to the most of the North Fife was restricted. The Kenback radio station was a critical link between Britain, USA, Iceland and Sweden, Norway, Russia. Classed as an ultra secret.
Yeah, I told you, I knew there was something about that here, yeah.
So it says...
It's just right here, man. I'm sure it's right here.
All that remains... Oh, hang on.
Yeah, what saying all that remains is what?
Right, all that remains, that's in 2010, is a metal gate into an open field opposite the Kenback graveyard.
Oh,
this
yes.
field was originally full of wooden huts.
Yeah, I knew there was something. I knew it was something to do with this here, man. No, he's right about that, man. Yeah, so the guy who invented radar, hang on till I find his name out.
By the Princess Royal.
Okay, yeah, Robert Watson Watt. He was the guy that pioneered the use of radar. Anyway, he didn't invent it. It was actually invented by a German, Heinrich Heck or something. He invented radar. So, but this guy, Robert Watt, pioneered it and used it to great effect to defeat the Germans. Fantastic. And it was right here that this field had the huts in it where they would, they would all obviously record what was going on. But yeah, up there somewhere, there are a few remains of what was going on, which is quite exciting, isn't it, bro? Yes.
Yeah, but that's the metal gate there, maybe.
Well, maybe. Who knows? He's going to find it. No, I know. I thought there would have been some sort of a centre here or something, you know, radar centre. Anyway. Throws around a deathly hairpin here.
You can stop anywhere if a car was coming. You're in a big ditch.
Well, Kenback, that was quite an interesting find today. Waterfall and an unexpected slice of history. Look at this. So this is the scene where back in 2012 there was a massive flood here at Kemback, and the water came right over and we went all the way down there and flooded everything out completely. Absolutely colossal flooding. As you can see, there's the water there. It came down, there was just a massive, what was it, a lot of rainfall or something like that? Yeah, there must have been massive
rain and snow and everything fell.
Yep, so it just came down, there massive huge floods. The houses were decimated. A house on the corner just right here, I think it was just here or down there, they were just totally flooded away, man, eroded away. What's the word I'm looking for? Flooded away, yes, just washed away.
Washed away.
But yeah, incredible scenes in 2012, but they've rebuilt it. And unfortunately you can't get down there to where the water is ferocious, but it's fantastic. Bro got really excited when he saw it there. He stopped the car and put it back into reverse and all the way back. He was really excited there, weren't you, bro?
Yes.
Yes, indeed. So yeah, 2012, that's when the floods happened. Thank you. So, bro, what did you say, bro?
Footpath, 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 footpath.
Footpath. Come on, this could be it, folks. We could actually get down there. Excellent. Oh, this is exciting. Yes, here we go. So I don't know where bro saw this footpath sign, but what does it say here? Oh, here we go. Yeah, footpath. This is what bro saw. Footpath. Oh, it's not much of a footpath, bro. I don't know, man. Oh yes, hang on. Yeah. A bit disappointed there, folks. Very disappointed indeed. But a nice situation for a house there. Look at that. That's lovely. I like that. Yeah. So unfortunately, we just can't get to see the waterfall there. It's very disappointing. Can I get down that way, bro, do you think? We'll have a recce down here. A slice of that, dear. Fantastic, folks. So if you are coming down this way, then why not pop into the White Chimneys Cafe and get yourself a nice coffee.
It's a tea room.
Tea room, beg your pardon.
And sandwich bar.
And sandwich bar, of course, yes. I had £8 on me, so luckily we just had enough. But if it hadn't been for Bro and his, I want a cake, I would have got a lot of change, but unfortunately I only got a little bit of a change. So anyway, most pleasant service there, very nice indeed. Thank you, White Chimneys Cafe.